Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my recipe of Furaula. Today I have used 1.5 cup of black lentils and I have soaked it overnight. Gently rub with your hands to separate the skin. Now with clean water, wash the skin off your lentils. Make fine paste of ginger and garlic. Into your food processor, add lentils, add chopped onion. I like onion in my furaula, but this one is optional. You can skip this. Add turmeric, cumin and coriander powder, salt, ginger and garlic paste, little bit of oil, little bit baking powder, Now transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now add chili powder and mix it. Put oil in a hot pan. Now fry them. Turn frequently until they turn brown. Let them rest on paper towel, it will soak the excess oil. Our furaula is ready to enjoy. For the detailed ingredients list, check the description box.